So today is June 14 and we're going to Boracay! Today is not June 14, it's June 4. Sorry. Okay. Okay. So we're going to Boracay. It's my first time going there and I believe the second time na ni Collie, if I'm not mistaken. And hindi ko sure kay Isa kung pang ilan time niya na. So, it's currently 4:20 in the morning and I am just waiting for Collie to arrive here at my condo kasi dito yung meeting place namin before we go to the airport. And sa airport na rin naman imimit si Isa kasi umuwi siya ng Cavite. And then, kaya kami maaga kahit na yung boarding pa ng flight namin is at 6:25 because we plan to eat breakfast at the airport na rin. So, we plan to, syempre, agahan para we have plenty of time to eat and hindi kami magkahol sa oras na bilisan kumain just because malapit na yung boarding. So, I'll see you guys in a while kapag meron na si Collie. Oh, I got my nails done. Appreciate it! Appreciate it! I didn't do extensions for this time because I can't do a lot with extensions. I mean, you get me. Wala kang magagawa masyado kapag naka-extensions ka. Or is it just me? Yeah, so I opted not to have any extensions on this trip and para makarest din yung nails ko from all the filings and all. Annyeonghaseyo! Gonna eat first. Airplane good. Wait, I need to remove. Ako, ma-invade na naman ang privacy ninyo kasi ano naman ang friend yung water.
Kailangan ganda.
Grabe ba?
Pag make-up ka?
Pare-retouch na lang.
Nabasa kasi yung mukha ko dun sa make-up tapos nakalat yung make-up. Finally, hindi ako unahan at simulo ng aeroplano.
May maupo kaya? Full flight kaya to? Kanina. Pero wala kang annotation season.
Parang oo.
Okay, done. See you in Boracay. Boracay already. Are you excited? No. Yes. Alright. So we're now on the way to the port. Ako lang ba? Bang.
I got friends in New York City, 'cause everyone I know left town. That's the place your daily dreams go, where you can see the sun go down.
She's feeling the moment. I think she's
Feeling it.
yeah.
Hi guys! Welcome to the vlog! We're back!
You know who you are. running. Where the hillside.
Waiting if pwede na kami mag early check-in. To-check lang kung may available room. Sana meron. Yeah. We're staying at La Carmela. And a stranger now, but a friend later. So for lunch, it's at Howard Barbecue. Okay. Kuya, sa akin isang sizzling baby back ribs na small.
Ang sarap ng gravy.
Juice, moms.
Ito na lang. Yung
Hanggang ano tayo? The glass.
Shake ko.
yung ano na lang sa akin, once belly. May toyo man sila.
Kuya, tas isang ripe mango shake. Cute. Okay, this is the food. Baby back ribs. What's yours?
I don't know.
How about yours?
Pork belly. Very appetizing.
Oh, it's not appetizing. 잘 먹겠습니다. 어때? 맛있어?
Guys, kuha kayo akin.
Kuha rin kayo, guys. You wanna taste? Wala pa yung bottled water mo, no? Did you order? Hindi rehistro na
Ramdam yung papa mo nung nagtanong yun.
Grabe yung ano nun.
May order ka rin ba?
Ito yung mga ano. Wala. Pwede namin na ipisa.
Ay, meron pa pala kung di nakwento. Okay, outfit has been changed. Ego. Luwaba. First activity is Either UFO or jet ski. Feel ko jet ski muna. Mas chill. Bahala si kuya. We're gonna meet our tour guide.
Paangkas na lang, guys.
Kaya mo yan, promise. Promise. Angkasan kita ng isang beses ako sa likod, ikaw mag-drive. Para maano mo. Tapos baba mo ako para may slow na shot ka. Oh, tama yun. Diba? Hi, kuya. Sige, kuya.
Kasi natin try papunta ng Bulacan Beach kasi yung activity yan is muligpat doon sa kanila.
Ah.
And yung trike is shoulder po natin yung bayan.
Sige, how much yung trike, kuya?
Exclusive po kasi siya, 150 tatlo na kayo doon.
Balikan?
One way po lang.
One way.
Opo. Wala po kasing trike na yung tawag dito. Hindi special na pupasok po sa may Bulacan.
Ah. When I get to touching you, to loving you, just a little more time, we'll be together.
So, may lumabas na naman dun sa weather na parang lalakas daw sa 7. So, hindi, dito na lang itutuloy lang.
Mas mahina ba dito, kuya?
Opo, mas kalmado.
Ah. Here,
Mahirap po ang jet ski. Kaso, maano gusto na, may GoPro na doon.
Jet ski first. Are you excited?
Yes, let's go UFO fighting!
She's not happy about it. Okay.
Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. Today, si Mama ang aming sugar mama! Ang budget niya for today's trip ay 50,000 pesos. Ganyan siya kayaman.
Pwede mag-stop na heartbeat. 21? Bakit pa nga ni? 30?
Kaya nga hinansan ko
30,000 daw yung cash niya. So, ngayon natin malalaman kung mauubos niya lahat. Kasi yung bill ni Moms kanina sa pagkain 1K. Nabusog ka naman ba?
Hindi masyado.
So, hindi worth it yung 1K.
Hindi ko talaga binusog kasi baka natin mamaya.
Dapat nagbarasiling din kayo. Kayo.
Ikaw na lang. So, agenda today is 1 p.m. Water activities, that's UFO and jet ski. And 3:34 sunset party. It's hot. Okay. It's hot. These are my two girls. Ito na yung rides. It's really hot. I don't know where we're heading at, but yeah. So cute. Look at that. Oh! It's private, boy.
At nahulog ko ng tubig bayad nun. Dala po yun. Kasabi.
Kasi ano ba yung maliit siya may dog?
Nawili sa camera. Buti may kamay. Alright, tama sit dito. Okay lang kayo dyan kahit mainit?
Yes.
Okay na to, kuya, para may proof na nagborakay. Pag hindi na-item, hindi nagborakay.
Yes, correct.
She's covered.
Ay naku, wag mo na sabihin, mama lang ko na si Bentong yun.
She's excited po.
Ala ka! Para mag-ask you dito. So, final na no, jet ski tayo muna.
Yes, kuya.
Or gusto niyo muna ng UFO?
Hindi.
Jet ski muna. 3:30 po kasi yung assemble time. 3 p.m. to 3:30 time.
Ay, sorry.
Ng partiyat natin.
Kuya, may pogi ba doon?
Marami, ma'am.
Walang pogi doon, ah.
Yung staff tsaka yung DJ ng partiyat, pogi yun. Ano yung bet?
Wow. Wow. Wow.
Antitrip mo si Kuya eh. Smile! Ito na yung rides.
Testing pa lang to.
Testing pa lang pala.
Shine like stars, and the people float like gold dust through the red rope district bar. Hold your head up, you're a beacon. Throw me westward in my car. You don't have to hit the big time, baby.
Hello. They are jet skiing. Ito po, naka-play na po yan.
Ayan, naka-play na. Hello vlog, welcome to my guys. Andito kami ngayon sa platform ng Diamond Water Sports. So magje-jet ski po sila, ma'am. Alright, so nakabalik na po yung mga guests natin. Hello, hello. Ay! Ano, sino yung unang aangkasin mo, ma'am? Ano, ma'am? Kamusta ka dyan?
May galit ata si Kuya sa amin.
May galit. Ganyan talaga sila mag-drive, ma'am. Mga magagaling na mga driver yan. Mukhang kaskasero lang.
Ara, sasapakin kita.
Are you ready?
No!
Ah!
Dahan-dahan lang, Ara.
Alright, start na.
Bye! Ara, saglit lang, Ara. Ma'am, wag naman. Ganyan lang. Malalaglag tong action 5 mo, promise. Wait lang, ah. We are jet ski.
Okay na, di na mabilis. Promise. Ganyan lang, ganyan lang.
Okay lang, do what you want.
Nani? Ayoko may ayolo ko ang liit ng circle. Baka may makapagkatan.
Oo nga. You're so brave. Wow, wow, wow! Wow! Look at that, guys. It's so pretty. Wow! Wow! Wow!
Kaya mo ba?
Yes! Wow! 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 Yun! Yun! Yun ang gusto ko! Ayan na nga! Wah! 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 passenger princess.
Done!
Ano, kamusta? Okay lang naman.
Sigaw na sigaw yung nasa likod ko!
Yung angkas.
Oh, yung angkas.
Natakot. Uy, maling ano.
Munti ka na.
Doon sa kabila. Kaliwa, kaliwa.
Okay. Ako naman na maghihintay.
My girls are here. Pagod na pagod na. Pagod na pagod na yung isa. Hindi na kasi pagod.
Time lapse.
Ate! What happened?
Ininom niya daw yung tubig. Nilunok ba naman?
What happened to you? Mas malala ba to kaysa sa akin?
Comments.
So chill pa pala yung akin.
Oo. Chill pa yung kay Ara. Pero pag dating kay isa, parang nasa kotse kami. Ang bilis.
Activity towards UFO. Lala mo daw mag-drive.
Ayoko nga.
Ano? Ano?
Di ako nakikipagbiruan sa'yo.
Napalit pa tayo dyan.
Kuya, sobra kami sa pangupuan. Ikaw na lang.
Wala kayong, wala kang hindi.
Okay lang, basta kasama ka.
Wag! Malamig! Naranasan ko na. Tama na yung isa. Alright, hello guys. Welcome to my guys again. Hello guys, welcome to my guys again.
Sinasabi ko sa'yo.
So ngayon, mag-UFO naman sila. Sakay ako sa speedboat.
Sakay yan.
Ato. Alright, so here we come. Apo, kunin ko siya, kunin ko na lang mamaya. Ay, 30. Wala pa nga mami. Hindi, mo pwede magbunot to. Jangan ko ng piston. Pahinga. Pahinga muna, pahinga. Ano, kamusta? UFO to, walang tulugan. Bawal po humiga dyan, ma'am. Alright, so andito po tayo ngayon sa Keho, Boracay Keho. And also known as Lapus. Local name po is Lapus. Okay. So, picture lang po kami dito saglit for a while. So, ipopost ko muna. Alright. Second round. Lakasan mo pa! nyo pa? 8 minutes na lang tayo or balik na. Chill ride na lang tayo pabalik. May 8 minutes na, exhausted na agad. Okay. Alright, there we go. Level 3 na, extreme na. Level 3 pa lang. Testing pa lang yan, testing. Testing pa lang. Konting banking lang. Sige! Sigaw lang! Yung bayag siya na tatlo. Babalik na, babalik na. Ayaw ko na. Babalik na tayo, let's go back. Chill ride na lang tayo. Ano man by dati? Ano runway chan? Bakalanda? Ay, pang bragit na nanda? Pagpagawa ng clip. Bowling kamay. Okay, tapos na kami. Agad lang naman sila. Ano, kamusta kayo dyan? Hindi okay? Hindi daw sila okay. Ikat na.
Done with water activities. Did you have fun? Did you? Smile. Yay! We made it to the yacht. So windy.
Hi guys, ang libreng pagkain ay fries tsaka cheese din na makunat.
Chocolate. Mas masaya ata yung ano, yung red something. Yung Koreano, pero mas mahal. drink, not me. Then tomorrow, our itinerary is ATV Mainland in the morning and land tour in the afternoon. This is actually our last agenda for today, so it's gonna be a sunset party. Oh, they're here. Oh, this is mine.
Dalawa na ni Kuya.
Oh no! Ay, hindi kayo nag-ano?
Ito na yun.
Totoo? Intro. Saka lang naging extra kapag kasama yung mga friends. Tsaka yung ano, kapag comfortable sa kasama.
You know who you are. Hold you right up your beacon. Don't let them make you come that far. Oh.
Did you see our behind the scenes? It's how we got good pictures. We high pitch order. They just went down and got more cheese sticks. I stayed here. This is from my mom. I just borrowed it from her.
Girl, ang dami nakikita. Ayan, ma'am.
Oh, ma'am. Hindi yung kinuha nila. That's for them lang, ah.
No, for you too.
No, I don't like na.
Maglolo.
Maglolo ko ang aking tiyan. So the party is actually done. And we're on the way to dinner because everybody's hungry and everybody's tired. You won't actually enjoy the nightlife here in Bora for the first night, but yeah, it's just that everyone's tired. We're just gonna eat at Andox because Lisa's been craving for sinigang. So we're gonna eat there. Then we're going to sleep now.
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am. Let's go, ma'am. Yung partners namin ma'am kumakain ng apoy dun, ma'am. Ayaw niyo, ma'am?
Ayaw ni Ma'am. Dinner time! Kita pala ako. Whatever.
Pigilis natin bukas, mama.
So, I think I won't have the energy to end this later, so I'll end this now. That wraps up our first day here in Boracay. And I will vlog again tomorrow. Because I'm so tired, I don't know. Okay, bye!